Okay, let's look at password field. Let's create a new project. Let's open fXML in SimBuilder. Delete VBox. I prefer to use anchor pane. We need 2 labels and then 1 text field. We also need 1 password field, then 1 button, and then 1 text area to display we have type. Label, let's change to username, password, this is tf username, and then password, tf password, button, btn OK, OK, handle btn OK, ta summary, that's lbl username, lbl stands for label, lbl password, controller class, make sure. Let's create data fields according to fxid. Let's change to private. Okay, I don't use these methods and then 1 data field, so let's remove it. Let me add fxml annotation. So implementation is kind of straightforward. tf username getText, ta summary, append text, let's say new line, copy paste it, password field, pf password, and get text. Edit configurations, add new, application, app, hello application, apply, run. Username, password. Let me show you with text area. Okay, you can see username and password, what I type. Okay, here it seems to be one data field is missing. So BT and OK is missing. So let's create that data field. Change to private. And then add FXM annotations. Okay, everything seems to be okay now. That's all. Thank you.